Let's be honest, most car gadgets are either overpriced, useless or break after 1 week, but some actually work, and they make your life easier, safer and more comfortable. In this video I will show you 10 affordable car gadgets that are actually worth buying, including a few you have never even heard of. And here is the deal: if this video gets 1000 likes or the channel gets 5000 subscribers within a month, I will buy every single gadget from the list, test it myself and tell what's real and what's probably not. Let's get into it. First one: window breaker and seatbelt cutter. This is one of the most important gadgets you can own. It stays in your glove box or door pocket and can literally save your life. In case of a crash or if your car ends up or underwater, you could cut your seat belt and break the window to escape. Cheap, small, but essential. Average price is £10. Second, rain repellent for windshield. Driving in heavy rain? This stuff changing the game. Just apply it to your windshield, water rolls right off. And you barely need wipers. It's not a net, but my personal use is Turtle Wax company. Lasts long, easy to apply and visibility is better. You will wonder why you never used it before. Price about £25, but it's worth it. Third, LED interior lights. They are cheap, plug in into your USB and making your car more modern. Great for night drivers or just adding some personality to your cabin. Plus, they help you find drop stuff in the dark, and you can get it from £12. Next one, wireless tire pressure monitor. Low tire pressure, higher fuel usage and unsafe handling. This tiny tool tells you exactly where your tires are at. It costs next to nothing and saves money long term. Some even have digital screens and auto shut off. If you don't have it yet, could be useful for a price from £25. 5. Seat gap filler. You know that black hole between your seat and central console, where keys, fries or your phone disappear forever. This gadget fills that gap and nothing falls through. Once you use it, you will never drive again without it. Price starts from £7. Number 6. Portable jump starter. Dead battery? No problem. These compact jump starters are amazing. They don't need another car and can even charge your phone. Keep on in your trunk and you are always ready. Prices are completely different. My advice: don't buy too cheap. Next one, anti-fog spray or wipes. Winter mornings, foggy windshields. This spray keeps your view clear in seconds. Easy to use, no streaks and super useful if your defroster isn't the best. Can be sold in range from £5 to £10. Next one, to be honest, was unexpected for me. It's a clip-on sun visor extender. Anyone who drives a car was blinded by the sun at a worst angle. This simple clip-on visor fixes that. Great for shorter drivers or a low winter sun. £15 for a big comfort upgrade. Number 9. Trunk organizer. No more bags flying around in the back. This foldable box keeps your tools, groceries in place. Folds flat when not in use and instantly make your trunk feel clean and sorted. And last one but not the least, steering wheel tray. Sounds silly, but hear me out. Need to eat in the car or work on a laptop? This tray clips onto your wheel and turns your seat into a mini desk. Perfect for road trips, waiting at school pickup or lunch breaks. And there is a bonus one. Mini trash can for cup holders. My opinion, car manufacturers should do it by default. Receipts, gum wrappers, random bits of paper. Instead of stuffing them in the door, use this. It fits in your cup holder, looks clean and keep your car from becoming a trash zone. Cheap, tidy and surprisingly satisfying to use. And there you go, 10 gadgets that actually makes driving better. Which one your favorite? Drop in the comments. And don't miss out, subscribe for more.